So yes guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I will be making a super healthy green juice for you guys. So just stick around, and after the intro I will be showing you guys in details how to do this one. So yes guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I have a bunch of vegetable and fruits that I will be using to make a green juice for you guys, and I'm gonna go directly into the video. This one is super healthy guys, and it's good for your immune system. So what I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna put a handful of spinach inside of my blender. Yes, and my spinach is already washed. Then from there I'm gonna go ahead and put some celery inside. So I have spinach, celery, then I will be putting in a piece of cucumber, okay guys, let's push it down, yeah. Okay, so I have spinach, celery, cucumber, and I'll be putting in half of a green apple, okay guys, no problem, just push it down inside, no problem guys, just put it inside your blender. Okay guys, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna put some purified water inside. Yes, and then from there I'll be adding in some organic honey. Okay, that is beautiful guys. So what I'm gonna do right now guys, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna blend for a few minutes. Okay guys, so what I'm gonna do now guys, I'm gonna go ahead and strain this. Good guys, see how beautiful this is. Yeah man, and it's not only beautiful, it is super healthy guys. So I want you guys to try this one at home. And what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna squeeze half a orange inside. So all you wanna do is just do like this. That's it, guys. And your healthy green juice is ready. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour it directly in my glass. And there you go, guys. Your immune system booster is ready. This one is packed with nutrients, packed with vitamins. So guys, go ahead and try it. See how beautiful it is, guys. Enjoy, and thank you guys so much for always checking out my videos, and I will catch you in another video. Okay guys, goodbye.